Alright, here comes a Norfolk Southern. Looks like it has 3 engines.
Let's see 3.
Because like people that work on the train, I saw this one video, they said people that work on trains have a lot of paperwork. Like about the cargo and like the route. What? I was just telling Troy that. Troy's asking, there's like, Troy said he thought the guy said he had paperwork. And I was saying, that's good. Yeah, that's what Lauren said to me too. Oh really? Yeah. That's weird. I didn't notice because I was trying to look at the style of the engine. But I couldn't read it. I couldn't read it.
I was holding a milk jug.
Really?
It was 96, 50, 9904, 9960, I think.
Whoa, you can see them on here. The thing is, surprisingly here, the sign is high enough in the sky that it doesn't ruin the shot as we're facing into the sun.
I know, that's just nice. Because we're ideally on the wrong side of the track.
Yeah. But that's the only side that you're allowed to go on here at the Lakeshore Railway Museum.
It'd be nice if they had a bridge over.
Yeah, I was just telling Troy that earlier. I said that would be really neat if they they put a bridge over. Yeah, and you could like go on top of it, like and be able to look down the tracks, or like a platform in the middle.
Down there, so it's not that much longer.
You know, literally right before I heard the horn the first time, I was thinking, I'm surprised we haven't seen an NS train yet. Yeah. Troy, what do you like more, NS or CSX?
CSX.
Really?
Because I like NS for the champ of the heritage.
Yeah, same with me.
Yeah, I actually like NS
But
because it's related to
the CSX has way more forward power though, so yeah, it's a horse apiece.
Yeah. I like both of them.
Yeah, I do too.
The one's like brothers with Conrail, and the other's like more power.
And I'm pretty sure the end is right about here. Yep, there's the end.
Right. Just follow it back down.
Yeah, I will.
Well, there it goes.
And there it goes. I say that after every train.
Normally the end's loud.
Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe to JTR Bricks. See ya.